Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by weighing key powders precisely. Precision matters for safety and effect. First, place a digital scale, a clean scoop, and a capsule tray on your table. Add 150 to 300 milligrams of caffeine, lower if sensitive, and put 6 to 8 grams of citrulline malate for blood flow. Next, measure 2 to 3 grams of beta-alanine and, if desired, 3 to 5 grams of creatine. Once done, label containers and move to mixing to maintain consistency and avoid mistakes. Once your ingredients are measured, combine them in a shaker or blender so they dissolve evenly. Use 300 to 500 milliliters of cold water and blend for 20 to 30 seconds. Add 1 to 2 scoops of flavored bica or a quarter cup of natural citrus juice to mask bitterness. Then sweeten gradually with stevia or sucralose in 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon steps. Make sure to taste test between adjustments because small changes affect solubility and overall palatability. Then let the mix settle briefly. You finish by dividing the pre-workout into single servings using airtight jars or labeled packets. This preserves potency and ensures accurate dosing. Write the ingredient breakdown, milligrams or grams per serving, and the mix date on each label. Store in a cool, dry place. If the drink feels gritty, try straining through a fine sieve or add 100 to 200 milligrams of sunflower or soy lecithin to improve mouthfeel. If jitteriness occurs, reduce caffeine by 50 milligrams and reassess tolerance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.